ating amazing community. Ito, ituturo niya sa atin or sasagutin niya why human connection is key to achieving optimal wellness. Coach Alvin Velasco, bakit nga ba? Thank you so much!
Hi everybody, good morning. So it's a great day today. So ang topic natin is uh, about connection and people are thriving, no? Uh, in fact, hindi naman tayo tatagal sa mundong ito if we don't connect to each other. Okay? So ito yung topic na excited akong i-share sa inyo because uh, kagagaling lang natin sa spectacular, di ba? And you can see there. Sino bang umattend ng spectacular? Sige, type 1 nga dyan kung naka-attend kayo. We'll see, no? So, congratulations kung naka-attend kayo lahat. And if not, anuhin nyo yung sponsor nyo kung paano ba umattend next year. So that you can also experience po yung excitement na naranasan namin, no? So our topic today is about why human connection is key to achieving optimal wellness. So very important po yung connection when it comes to wellness and health according to our itong si Kent Bradley, ating Chief Health and Nutrition Officer sa Herbalife. Okay? So, eto nga kagagaling lang natin ng and we have this mugs, nakikita niyo ba? Ito yung sa spectacular. Ganda no? Ginamit ko na yun sa akin agad eh. So as human daw, we are wired for social connection, for many factors can make us feel isolated. So marami ding pagkakataon na gusto mong mag-isa kung meron kang problema. Pero yung ganitong klaseng pagkakataon, hindi po maganda, no? Being disconnected from others may lead to less energy. Papansin mo pagka may gusto mong mag-isa, parang less energy ka, nang lalata ka, and you are less effective, no? And kasi nagre-rely ka lang sa sarili mo, leading to more stress. Di ba? I hope nararanasan nyo. Ako, naranasan ko ito sa buhay ko rin. How many times? And just get back on this thing. Now, stress, pag kinunbine mo naman to sa ever-evolving modern lifestyle, naku, mapapahama ka talaga with those unhealthy food na ganyan. And kahit na yung technology natin, nandyan na yung information lahat sa internet, mahirap ding alamin kasi maraming information, overload of information sa internet, and most of the time, nahihirapan po tayong tukuyin kung alin ba talaga ang totoo. And itong topic na to will remind us na merong mga taong nagtuturo sa atin ng katotohanan like this community we are in, no? Yung Herbalife community and this BNC. So very important yung mga tao na to. As a coach, kabilang din tayo sa mga taong ito. So yan po yung ating topic, no? But before that, let me just share my story. My name is Alvin Velasco and ngayon 57 na po ako, no? Malapit na akong mag-senior citizen. And we're taking the product for more than magti 12 years na kami ngayong taon na to. And in fact, ito yata yung aming anniversary month. So magti 12 years na kami ngayong taon na to. Before Herbalife, I used to be a salesman sa Binondo, a Chinese-owned company ng Binondo, and alam nyo, pagkaamo nyo is, boss nyo is Chinese, kailangan on the go lagi yan, no? And most of the time, nasa labas ako, nasa field with my sales, kasama mga salesperson, and doon na rin kami kumakain ng tanghalian, minsan breakfast doon na rin kasi maaga ka. And because of this lifestyle, I balloon into 192 pounds. Can you imagine? At syempre, pag overweight ka, alam niyo yung mga pains and aches, discomfort, my toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head, nandyan na po lahat yan, no? And luckily, I meet my sponsor, si Robert Jimenez. And very new rin siya sa Herbalife. And we managed to be friends, and then tinuruan niya ako, and I lost about 25 pounds in that particular month na nag-start ako, and 7 inches on my waistline. Can you imagine? And all those discomfort na wala, ano? Hindi lang ako may result, pati yung asawa ko meron din, no? And all my kids, no? So, my favorite products, marami po, no? But aside from this healthy breakfast na sinasabi natin kanina, Aloe tea shake, my favorite is Herbalife line. Omega 3 po ito, no? And it's really good for our brain, our joints, our nervous system. Paborito ko rin ang cell complex. Hindi ako nawawalan niya, no? For our anti-aging. Maganda rin sa skin yan. And probiotics, nowadays, marami pong diferensya sa digestive system. At yung mga yung mga special attitude natin nawawala yan pagka nag-probiotic kayo. And of course, the vitamins and minerals to really complete the package kung ano bang nutrients ang kulang ka. And another thing, syempre, yung ating Nightworks and fiber. So yan yung mga everyday na ginagamit ko. And of course, syempre, I'm looking forward this year. Medyo excited ako itong 2025 because I've seen a lot of changes, no, sa family namin. And of course, we continue to learn and tap with the community and leadership of Herbalife. So ganun po ka-excited ako, okay? So moving on. So the power of personalized approach to wellness, no? Strong social connections play an important role, sabi ni Kent Bradley, no? To live a healthier and happier life, no? May mga pag-aaral po dito na mas masaya yung mga tao na kabilang sa mga organization, sa mga community, or sa mga support groups, and the standard of living, mas happy sila, no? Because of this connection. And this is really true, no? Kasi uh, once for our Herbalife community, talagang makikita nyo, masaya talaga ang mga tao dito sa Herbalife. That's the one secret na hindi lang yung amazing product and amazing company, but the community as well, di ba? Yun talaga yung pinagmamayabang natin. So it's very important po itong connection na ito, no? So next one is, so eto, pinapaliwanag lang dito yung 4 ways kung ano ba yung kahalagahan ng isang distributor ng Herbalife, no? To really help those people to achieve a healthier lifestyle, no? Whether yung goal po natin is to lose weight or mag-train ka for triathlon or just simply wanting to lead a healthier lifestyle. Yung distributor po ng Herbalife, some of them we can call coaches kasi nag-elevate sila into coaching. They have this training. Kabilang po ako doon. And they would walk you to a certain path na sigurado ka na talagang magiging successful mo yung personal journey mo when it comes to health and wellness. Ah, they are offering transparency, yung empowerment, and yung perspective. Pinapaliwanag lahat yon kung paano gagawin. So, it's this personal relationship, no? Ito yung pinagmamayabang natin. Ito yung personal relation approach that help our customer achieve results and transformative way, no? Hindi lang yung product talaga, no? Kundi yung tao din na nag-aalaga sa iyo, no? I can feel what Jessie Matalog said, no? Parang naiiyak siya because I think Jessie has already come up with the level na talagang nakikita na yung transformation, napakadami na, and she's being a part of it. Kaya magiging emotional ka talaga dito. So here are 4 ways our distributor coach people towards a healthier lifestyle. Number 1, yung distributor po, as a coach, they coach customer to set a clear and achievable goals. So sa umpisa pa lang, bago ka mag-program, kinakausap ka na, what do you want to what is your goal, no? Pag sinabi niya losing weight, you have to ask them, bakit? Ah, does your doctor say this one or ikaw lang mismo? So you have to identify the goals, yung kanyang position para ikaw naman alam mo rin kung paano siya i-handle, di ba? So, distributors are trained to help their customer set achievable goals. At kung sakali naman na medyo imposible yung gusto niyang mangyari, abay, sasabihin rin natin, di ba? No? Yung dapat natin ano, ah when it comes to healthy habit formation, sasabihin mo rin sa kanya, siyempre tatanungin mo ano ba yung mga ginagawa mo, what is your activities so that you can really learn how to tweak those ano no program na ibibigay mo sa kanya, no? Now, confidence, ito yung pinaka unang iset mo, no? To make your customer very confident doon sa programang ibibigay mo, no? Confidence is a powerful force that moves a person to action. Yun yung una dyan. So, ito yung fuel, no? Fuel na kayang-kaya mong gawin ito. Simple lang itong ginagawa kong meal plan at itong mga activities na pwede mong gawin. Okay? That's number one. So, number two, distributors help identify behavior patterns and the best approaches to individual needs. So as you go along with the coaching, you would realize kung anong klaseng character meron yung customer or inaalagaan mo. And you have to really understand, you have to really get in sa shoes ng iyong customer or clients so that you'll be able to identify yung kanyang weakness, no? And those pattern that triggers fallback sa kanyang programs. This is very important. So, meron kasi tayong most of the time nagfi-fail because there is a psychological reason for that kasi yung brain natin is really wired, no, na pag na-create mo na yung habit na yan, automatic na yan eh, unconsciously you will going to do that one. So as a coach, pag nakita mo na yung pattern na yon, palitan mo na siya. So palitan mo na siya so that yung trigger niya is ma-overwhelm nung bago mong ginagawang programa. So I hope you get this one, okay? And distributor keeps people motivated and accountable. So, syempre ikaw, as you, hindi lang tayo nagbibenta ng product, we have to develop follow-ups, phone calls, and everything that we can do para ma-follow up natin yung ating clients. Ito yung dahilan kung bakit hindi tayo pwedeng magbenta sa mga ibang platform, no? So hindi natin hinayaan na mabenta lang yung product natin and then kikita tayo. No, we have a different way of selling our product. So kailangan personal para maturuan mo yung clients mo, ma-motivate mo siya, and then hand on hand, you will go along with that process, nagiging magkaibigan kayo, and that's how you get an amazing result. So, number four, distributors help people overcome limiting beliefs. So, maraming limiting beliefs na minsan hindi natin alam that we have that limiting beliefs. Now again, a coach is very well equipped with this kind of thing. Nakikita niya agad ito because of the so many clients and customer. Minsan automatic nakikita na agad niya uh, yung diferensya mo eh and how to really fix that one. And sometimes customers iniisip nila parang hindi nila kayang i-achieve after a certain fall. Doon ka talaga papasok. No, no, it's only a fallback that na ano lang, talagang nagkakamali ka and you motivate yung customers mo again, no? Limiting beliefs might yung katulad ng wala talaga akong disiplina coach. Hindi kasi ako talaga nag-e-exercise eh. Or wala talaga akong willpower na Hindi ko talaga gusto yung mga pagkain na yan eh. So, these things, no, kailangan you have to educate this kind of people kasi through education information, halimbawa, hindi niya kayang kumain ng gulay. But if you try to explain kung ano yung nakukuha niyang nutrients with that kind of food and ano yung magiging benefits, ano yung magiging pace of time if she do this kind of program, maaring gawin niya talaga yon because of that certain vision na nakikita niya, no, because you tell that customer. So distributor can help their customer recognize they have the ability, no? And of course, it comes with responsibility. Dapat maintindihan nila yon to take ownership sa kanilang action. And of course, motivate them to push forward uh, rather than uh, they feel left behind, no? Parang nagsawa ka na sa kanila, ang tigas talaga ng ulo. So, hindi tayo ganon. Okay? So, I'd like you to focus on this video kasi this explain other potential po ng pagiging coach, ng pagiging distributor. And if you are very new here, hindi ka pa member, you might as well focus on this video. At kung member ka na rin, tingnan mo po itong mga ginagawa natin as a coach, as a distributor. So watch this video.
Nutrition is complex and personal. Each individual has unique wellness goals, and one-on-one support can make a big difference. I manage my own small business selling Herbalife nutrition products. I help my customers throughout their personal journey to better health and wellness. I also help people make extra income by starting their own part-time business. While I choose to operate my business full-time, many other people start out part-time to earn extra money around their 9-to-5 job. Thanks to online trainings, resources, and a supportive community, people can build their own sales team and over time begin to earn commission on every transaction. The flexibility of the Herbalife Nutrition business model means that people can work from anywhere, whether that's at home, social media, or even at a nutrition club like mine, while setting their own hours. And at Herbalife Nutrition, startup costs are low and there's no minimum purchase required. When I first started building my business, it was important for me to be at home with my kids while earning my own income. As my kids got older, both my husband and I were able to put more time towards our business. It's taken hard work and lots of dedication to build my business. I'm proud of what I do and for the opportunity to change people's lives.
Okay, so that was a good video, no? And if your passion is also like us to help people, alam niyo po, maganda po na mag-member kayo and then go to
Nutrition
training.
is complex.
So, meron din tayong mga apps po sa mobile or dito sa, you can use the laptop also na every member has access to this Edge and Grow. Napakaganda pong application na to. And it has won a lot of awards para ito sa mga distributor. Can you imagine? So, worth of ano to, thousands of dollars ang binibigay ng Herbalife corporate ito just to give and enhance the distributors. So check it out, no? So to end this one, sabi dito, wellness is a collective journey, not a solitary part, no? So I remember nung itong mag-start pa itong ating BNC, no? Every morning, we wake up tapos before the 7 o'clock na nag-uusap-usap kami, no? At first wala lang eh. But then every day pag nakakausap mo na itong mga BNC leaders, mga BNC members, nagkakaroon ka ng ng attachment sa kanila. We share a lot of things sa job, sa experience, sa jokes and everything. And for the past, I think magpa 5 years na ito, no? And we develop a bond. And this kind of thing make us happy. Ngayon, pagka masaya ka every morning na nandito ka sa BNC, wow, parang yung iyong wellness, yung profile mo and health mo nag-aano din, no? Nag-i-improve din, especially your mental health. So ito yung naibibigay sa akin ng BNC. And I'm really inviting you guys na yung mga ano naman dyan na pwedeng sumali sa amin, you can join us, no? Sabihin nyo lang din sa mga sponsor nyo. So in conclusion, the journey to wellness is enriched by the relationship we cultivate. Di ba? Kino-cultivate natin na whether through like this group activities na support networks, community, yung mga initiatives na ginagawa. So alam nyo, human connections plays a vital role in our overall health. So by embracing this idea that wellness is a collective journey, we can create a more supportive and thriving environment for ourselves and those around us. Okay? So may papakita akong video sa inyo because every year nagagather po yung Barangay BNC for the Christmas party. And tingnan nyo kung gaano kasaya itong mga taong ito, no? Konti lang kami dyan. So, we have a lot of rooms for you guys if you join the BNC. So, try to think about a helping hand can make a difference when trying to lead a healthier life. Dito sa BNC po, we believe that a strong support system, kailangan po ito para ma-achieve yung goal mo, whether weight loss or fitness goal. Good habits are tough to establish. Mahirap po yan. Pero with a group of like this one, madali lang po kasi may support. Okay? This Virtual Nutrition Club is very confident and very critical po. If you are a member, sali na po kayo dito. So in the end, yung results po, no, nandyan. So BNC coaches share a common goal para mag-succeed po yung mga inalagaan naming mga customer in making their life change and that will change their lives for better. So, yun po, ano? So, see you guys sa extravaganza kasi after spectacular, ito na naman yung inaantay nating event. Try to ask your sponsor para paano makasali dito. So, thank you for listening, guys. Have a nice day. Back to you, Jess.
Yes, thank you Coach Alvin sa Pulse sa Puso, yung ayong ay binigay na topic ngayon. So ganda, ang galing. So ako ay ito yung personal point of view ko as distributors, you should be flexible paano